It's a wait and see, at least as far as I know. I don't know exactly their time schedule. I know it's after the new year, but that could be any time. In theory, it's going to be during the slow season, but I always expect construction projects and Ashland construction projects to run later. So, and if it's a bad winter that they're predicting, that might affect it too. So, I kind of see it, already being a little behind schedule, but fingers crossed, positive attitude, they'll get it done, pretty smoothly.
The next steps we're having is doing some lessons learned from phase 1, which has been in front of Homemade by Suzanne's, Coffee and Tea, and the professional offices on Northside Railroad Avenue. So as we're going through that process, we'll be meeting with the property owners and business owners on the south side, trying to schedule out with our contractors so they can have some project planning with those folks. Our goal is to keep those businesses open as much as possible and be not providing too many hindrances. Fairly good feedback to this point. I think our contractor did a very good job of trying to accommodate them the best that they could. The fortunate thing for some of those businesses is they had other entrances that patrons could use, Coffee and Tea and Suzanne's, for example. The challenge on the south side is not as many of those businesses have those second accesses.
My overall position on this is I'm glad it's finally being done. So to get it finished, like I said, it's got to get done. It's going to be a little headache and hassle and construction zone for a bit, but it didn't take them that long across the street, and I think this has probably less infrastructure from what I can tell that they have to put in, so it should be a smoother project over here. This is Ashland's postcard. This is, this is what people want to see. 95's got its own built-in corridor that can be anywhere across any exit off 95, but this is the postcard. So this is where I think everything should radiate out of. So I'm all for it. It's past due, really.